is your Saturday going? You can come inside. How is your Saturday going? How your day is going? Well, today is Saturday over here, and it's about 10. What's the time? 11 o'clock ish, like just on the dot. I just finished making breakfast. We had vegetable soup and which is ugu and water leaf. We're just about to clean the kitchen because everywhere is just looking very scattered and unkempt, and that's because we have eaten brunch, breakfast slash lunch. Yes, we had gari for breakfast. We do that sometimes, especially on Saturdays. I like to cook soup in the morning, and guess what? It's very good. It just helps my whole day be more cool rather than thinking of cooking soup later in the evening or afternoon. So I just cook my soup in the morning and I'm done with cooking for Saturday. Anyway, guys, I want to show you guys something, a harvest that came from my garden. You guys know I have like a little farm opposite my house. Guys, look at this plantain that came out of my garden. It's so huge. I don't even know if this camera is doing justice to this stuff. The plantain is huge. You guys see from over here, like it's really big. So, I also have an order that I received this morning. I will be showing you guys upstairs. Hey guys, so I'm back to my room now. This is like 30 minutes after I just rushed to my bag because I've not had my bag this morning. So we want to unbox. I'm looking for my scissors. Renee, where did you keep my scissors? I found it. By the way, I have a visitor here. Renee, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. So this is the order I got, and this is from Shein. I ordered a couple of stuff, so I don't have patience. I don't even know, like, YouTube is teaching me patience. I'm the kind of person that I usually would not wait to do this. Like, I'm just going to rip it up immediately I get it. But yeah, now we've opened it. Let's see the first box. This is the first box we have. I guess it's glass because there are some foils in it. Oh, so cute. Is this how small this thing is? It's so cute. Is this little pineapple? It's just like a decor piece. I don't even know where I'll keep this. I just bought random stuff from Shein, guys. Like, I've noticed that sometimes I'm in the mood to just shop, and sometimes I'm in the mood to save. This is my shopping phase, and hopefully we're going to get out of this mood in a minute. This is another one, and this is a flower vase. I want to put this in my living room, a small parlor upstairs. We are going to take this and paste it on it, I think. So this is how it came, and I'll wash it and I'll paste it. I'll put this stuff on it and put it on my parlor or living room table. And I got this little stuff. It's broken! Oh my gosh! But it's supposed to come like this, saying home. Guys, this thing is broken. But it's fine. I'll use super glue to just fix it and see if it works. Then I got this mini clock. This is going to go here in my room. Isn't this cute? It's very cute. So I'm going to keep it maybe somewhere there. I got this little mini brass plant. So I have one of these things before, but I kept this in my room. What is this? Okay. And I got a bodysuit, and I wanted to try out my size now on Shein because, guys, I've added weight. I need to try out 1XL. Although the XL still, the 0XL is still my size, but I just figured I should try out 1XL. So I got this in 1XL. Just like the other bodysuit I have, but this one has hand. The other one I have doesn't have a hand, so this is how it is. And I'll try this out maybe today. So the other item I got is this for my kids' room. It's like a frame, but it's a paper frame. Guys, frames are very expensive now, so I don't even want to go and invest in frame now for the kids' room because I know they are going to break it. Anyways, even if their hand might not get it, they might be throwing stuff and it hits it and it breaks. So even distracting the kids.
Even is a 3.
I ordered this fake frame kind of stuff from Shein. Renee is so busy back home. Can you see what Renee is doing? See what your sister is doing. So this is supposed to be like a fake frame.
What is that?
See how it is. Are you guys seeing it? So you just cut it and remove the stuff and just paste it in any place you want to paste it, and it's going to look like a frame, but it's not a frame. Okay, except you go closer and touch it and you know that okay, this thing is not a frame. So basically, okay, I have another thing I forgot. I have these, and these are glasses, these blue light glasses. Like I have this one on, but I figured I need to get something else to switch it up with, and I'm behind these clear ones for a while, and I don't plan on ordering it from Instagram anytime soon. So when I saw it on Shein, guys, all this while I was filming, my mic was turned backward. So this is how it looks. It's supposed to come like this blue light glasses, just like this one. So I'm going to take this off and wear it. So let's see. Guys, I love this. I love this. Why? It's not so tight like this one. Although this one has its own beauty too. But I like this one, and it's more casual, and you guys can see the blue light stuff. So it actually works, and it's not so tight. Like, oh my god, this is going to be like my everyday glasses. This is so cute. So let's try this one, the second one, but for now this is the one I have on. I think this is the one I'm going to wear at home, except I'm going out, I can wear it around, but that one is so tight, like it gives me headache sometimes. So this is the black one, so I'm going to try this on as well. Oh, so now I have 3 blue light glasses to alternate with. I think I have another thing, I don't even know what this is. Came in too. Let me see what this is, guys. So we're gonna cut off my address part. So how do I even start working with this? Like, oh my god, this actually came from AliExpress. Oh my god, this came from AliExpress, and these other ones came from Shein. But since they all came from China, I guess they just joined everything together. So this plant stuff, I'm supposed to put this in a frame though, but this is how it looks. I'm supposed to put this in my living room because there are a lot of plant stuff going on in my room that I don't want more. I'll just clean up.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
I told you guys that I'm going for a birthday party, although it's a baby's birthday party, but I'm not going to wear any wig because it's freaking hot here in Port Harcourt today, guys. So yeah, it's Pleasure Park, and we'll just go there. The kids are just gonna have fun while I sit down and watch them, but I just still want to be cute. So this is the shoe I decided to go with. It's just this basic flat. Okay, guys, let's go. We're here now. Isabel, this way. Let me give you guys a little 360. So how do we do now? She's coming up. Ryan, please this way. Isabel, let me have your hand. super tired. I'm exhausted. I need to sleep, but I'm not going to sleep. I'm just going to relax and okay, I'm going to take a shower, then relax. But just in case I end it here, thank you so much for watching. I realize I don't end my vlogs a lot this time. I'll see you guys in my next. Good night.